This is the Porter stem cell, and it has 60 capsule inside this bottle, and as you can see, it's part here under Ryways or Reways International. Ito po yun ang iniinom namin ng brother ko. It has helped me and helped my brother so many ways in terms of our body. And yung mga na-experience namin na hindi that disturbs our mental, emotional, physical lalo, this has helped us talaga. So yan, I just want to share with you guys sa mga nanonood or manonood na talagang malaking tulong talaga ito. Konting mahal, but then health is wealth, diba? Ayan po guys. Inside, I'm gonna open this one. Ay, silyado. So, I have to open this. Wait lang ha. Okay. Meron siyang ano. Okay. Here. And this one. One capsule. There are 60 capsule. And guys, mag-ingat po tayo. There, some product that comes out in the social media and hindi tayo sigurado kung original yun o hindi. Better purchase it either to me. Maganda kung sa akin kasi legit na legit talaga.